everyone. This is Kamini, trainer at VRAcademi. Welcome to my another tutorial for Photoshop. Now in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you Magic Pen. The Magic Pen is basically another selection tool which will help you to make the selection based on the color value. So you will come here to your tool property panel and you will select the Magic Pen. Based on the tolerance value also it calculates the color. More the tolerance value, it means you have selected more color values. So over here in this picture, I need to remove this backdrop from the subject. So for that, I will click on the backdrop and I will try to make the selection. Once the selection is done, you will go to your layer panel, and in your layer panel, you have an option known as Add Layer Mask. You will click on that. Once you click on that, your backdrop will be separated from your subject. So as I click on this, you will see that your backdrop is completely selected and separated from the subject. Now over here, as we discussed, we don't want to remove the subject, we want to remove the backdrop. So for that, you will go to the select option, and here you get one option in the menu bar known as Emboss Selection. You will click on this. Once you make the selection, your selection goes inwards, and now you will come here and make the selection. You will say Add Layer Mask. Once you click on that, you will see that you get your subject and your backdrop is separated from that. Now you can create your own layer. You can give the color of your choice. So whatever color you need to portray, you can select from the color menu and you can put the color of your choice. So this is how you are going to remove your backdrop. I hope you understood the tool. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.